just in time. Jimbo is just about to go for a ride in his little red wagon. Grown-ups, you can take your little ones for a ride too. Go ahead and sit them on your lap, either facing outward or towards you. And we're gonna give them a nice, steady bounce, 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 and bounce. Bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? Uh-oh, I think our wagon is broken. So grown-ups, go ahead and alternate legs. One wheel's off and the axle's dragging. One wheel's off and the axle's dragging. One wheel's off and the axle's dragging. Won't you be my darling? All right, we better fix that. So let's grab our hammer. We'll do some tapping. I'm gonna fix it with the hammer. I'm gonna fix it with the hammer. I'm gonna fix it with the hammer. Won't you be my darling? Uh-oh, I think it needs just a little bit more. So let's get out our wrench. We're gonna give it a twist, 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 twist. I'm gonna fix it with the wrench. I'm gonna fix it with the wrench. I'm gonna fix it with the wrench. Won't you be my darling? All right, I think it's fixed. We can get this wagon moving one more time. Bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? And if you like, grown-ups, at the very end, you can drop your little ones through your legs by opening them, gently letting them fall through. We'll go 3, 2, 1, drop. Whee! Great wagon rides, everyone. So much fun. Happy riding.